Hi, so today I'll be teaching you how to make another picture your background. Okay, now first open your file, the file that you want to add your background on. Press file, then open, then look for your file. Normally, you see this, the difference between this is that it's Photoshop, meaning when you open that, all your layers that you added before is saved as layered. Okay, so you can edit it anytime the way you edited it before. Now this one, this snapshot, the difference is it's a picture, a flat PNG picture. This you'll see is an Adobe Photoshop image. Okay, so now let's press the snapshot 106A. This is the one that we did before. Then what we want to do is just to close this background by pressing the eye and then removing the effects from your picture like so. And then the next thing to do is to open your background, the picture of the background that you wanted to put here. What I normally do is press start and then go to the folder where my background is, and then when you're already there, I just drag the picture here to my Photoshop. When you see the arrow, then it means you can drop it. Just release it. See, automatically you'll see the picture here. This is the snapshot picture and this is your background. Normally it's all there. You won't miss it. It's either there or down here. Okay, so what we do next is just drag this background to another layer to duplicate it, because this one is locked, so we cannot do anything with it, I think so. So then the next thing to do is just right click this layer and then press duplicate layer and then choose your file. I choose this snapshot, but you can choose another file if you want to, but what I wanted is to put this in the snapshot picture, so I just press that and then press OK. So automatically your picture will be here. So you see it's too big. Normally it's really like that. It can happen, and especially when the file is not the same, the file size is not the same. So what we do is just click this background layer copy and then go to edit and then free transform. You can also click Ctrl T to make it easier for you. You see all those things. This is really big. You see the size of it. So what I do is just lessen this, press this here to make it smaller, and then while dragging this picture, you press shift. Hold down shift and just drag it down until it's small. Then you just push it up and just press enter. Then what we do is just drag this down below your picture. See, then you're automatically there. So since it's see, it's very nice. And then you can just add a new effect to your background. Normally what I do is just I duplicate it by dragging it to another layer and then close the other one, so just so it's saved, my old effects saved, and just clear the layer style. It's clear now, and then just double click it and add your very own layer, outer glow or whatever you like, so that it would look like you're really part of the picture. Okay, so I just press cancel. Okay, anyway, you see this part, it's all transparent. you can do lots of things with this. You can make the picture background bigger or stretch it sideways like this by pressing Ctrl T and then just press shift while dragging from this point and just press enter. So it's nice to do, but this file is really big. You see, you realize if it's big by looking here. It's only 66%. Well, the 100% of this is really big. You can really change the sizes quickly. So let's just make it small a bit. To make it your own size, I suggest you open a new file and then just add your own width and height. Like for example, I wanted it 500 by 500 pixels. Just press enter then after you write that. So it's all blank. And then what you do is just all of these, you just shift all the pictures that you want, either shift or control. I press control so that this other picture won't be part of it, and then you just click duplicate layer into the untitled one that we made earlier here, and then you see, click this and you'll see it here. See, it's too big again. So in your navigator, just press this arrow to make it smaller, and then again press Ctrl T, or here edit free transform. So you see the size of it, it's really big. So you just again press shift and then drag it up to the picture, the size that you like. And then press enter. Now I wanna edit the background so that in the picture I'll see the moon. So I just, in the navigator, I'll make this a bit larger. And then again press Ctrl T and then shift. Now why do we press the shift? I press the shift so that everything will be proportional or proportion to each other. So while I press shift and then drag this, all the sides are moving in proportion to each other. So let's just add the moon and then make it small. Don't forget to press the shift, okay? Or else it would not be proportional unless you like it not proportional, okay? So like here, look at the moon, it's quite stretched. So I just try to drag this without pressing the shift, just to make it look proportional again. Okay, and then just press enter. So this is the real size of this picture is make this 100%. That's the real size of your picture. Now how do we save your picture? There are lots of ways. Like for example, if you want to save your picture and save all the layers where you can edit the green eyes, the hair, you just press file, save as, and then here you will see all the kinds of formats. Now if you want that your picture be saved in layers, press this Photoshop PSD format and just add your own name. Make sure you save it in a place where you know you can easily find, like in my document. Always save it in a place that you can easily find, okay? So here, and always add a name that you also remember. I remember this by using this name. Anyway, I'll just add your name and background. Digimon, so that I remember that that's the background that we added. And then I just press save and then press OK. So see, let's close this. And then I just try to open it again to check if we did the right thing. And where's that? And Digimon, open. See, all the layers are saved. Okay, you know what? If we want to save it as a picture, a flat one that we can upload in Second Life, here you can upload it as save as PNG or JPEG. Normally they use JPEG or Targa. For JPEG, just press JPEG and then save. Maximum, yes, okay. For PNG, it's just the same. It's all just in formats, okay? So that's how you save. If we open the JPEG version, you see it's a different color because it's a different format or style. Let's open this JPEG format. See, it's flat like this. It doesn't have layers. So I hope you understand this tutorial today, okay? Bye.